Hello mga ka-trending! Welcome back to ZK Trend. Usap-usapan nga ang isang interview ni Bel Mariano na kung saan nga ay may inamin ang dalaga. Shinare nga ni Bel Mariano sa naturang interview kung paano nga nai-inspire siya kay Donnie Pangilinan. At inamin pa ni Bel Mariano na talaga namang pinag-pray umano siya ni Donnie sa tuwing nada-down siya. Marami nga mga netizens ang napahanga dito sa relasyon nga ni na Donnie at Bel dahil they are deeply rooted in mutual trust and in faith to God. Ayon pa nga dito sa komento ng ilang bula sa X, more than the chemistry, talent, intellectual, and emotional intelligence of Don Bell, they pray together and for each other. No one compares. Hearing this from Belle proves how significant Donnie is in her life and how the relationship is deeply rooted in mutual trust and their shared faith in God. Foolish for others to believe that they can learn something this beautiful. Hashtag Don Bell. At ayon pa nga dito sa isa pang bula, the way Belle speaks so highly of Donnie says everything. Donnie is every bit the green flag she paints him to be. And Belle, being as smart and discerning as she is, wouldn't say it so freely if it weren't true. I love him so much.
May times talaga na na-down ako. And I really talk to him. I tell him na he prays for me. And he actually, sometimes if I feel down, sasabihin ko, can you pray for me? Because I don't feel like myself today, ganon. And he's been very supportive. And yes, he's also one of the inspirations why I do what I love doing.